Alright. This just showed up. Yeah. Oop, sorry. I'll make this as quick as I can. Or I'll just see if I can. No. Oh. Oh well. Here. I really hope this is what I think it is. Whoops. Take it down again. Okay. We got it open. You all should know what it is by the video title. And haha. It is. Wow. Nice. So this is the British Rail Green Golden Plover. It's an A4 class, obviously. I've ordered this on eBay. This is actually pretty hard to get. I actually got it from the eBay auction. So yeah. This particular locomotive was built at Doncaster. I'm not going to guess the year it was built. I want to say 1936, 1937-ish. But I would say somewhere around there. But yeah, this particular locomotive was then later withdrawn and scrapped from service in the early 1960s. So it's a bit tight. There she is. Ain't she a beauty? She's a true beauty. Alright. Let's open this baby up. So this is a bit of an old style packaging. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay. Guess I'll have to open it from the other side. I really don't want to break this packaging. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Aha. What do we got here? Instructions. Ooh, these are crumpled. A4 class. Yeah. Alright. Got anything else? No? Let's see. Oh, haha. Kind of like that. It's nice. Dude. I hope you saw that. I really hope you saw that. If you didn't, I'm really, really sorry. Wow. Just look at it. Oh, it's a dummy coupling. Nice. Let's see. Do you get... Holy crap! No way. Dude, that is so small. This is really, really impressive. Whoa. My first ever locomotive with cab detail. That's insane. What do you get on the other side? I like that little piece right there. That's really, really nice. Wow. Alright. Now, let's look at the tender. Yeah. It's got some good weight to it. I kind of like that. British Railways. I like the lay crest. I love the car door effect. And don't think that coal is removable. I doubt it is. But yeah. Yeah. I saw this particular locomotive on eBay. Oh, spring buffers. Wow. Yeah. But this thing is pretty old. I don't think it's been used very well. Covered in dust. But anyway, yeah, as I was saying, I bought this locomotive on eBay. It says it's never been used. This packaging is probably from the, I would say from early 2010s. But yeah, it's I really wanted this because I wanted to give this engine a home. I really didn't want it to go from seller to seller because, to be honest now, I really can't stand the sellers that trying to make money out of model trains, and model trains are just sitting in a box, never been used. That is something I really hate about these sellers. Alright, we'll hook the tender up with it. Look at that. That is A4 heaven right there. That is awesome. Alright, let's put it up. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse the weird camera angle. I'm using my phone. Even though they say this loco feels like it hasn't ran in a long while, it should be worth lubricating. Well, I don't think this engine probably ran at all. So, yep, spring buffers and a tender. Nice. Okay. Now, out of my all A4s by Hornby, like Sir Nigel Gressley and Mallard, I've had problems with them. Let's hope this one isn't a huge problem. And I also looked at the instructions that the coal is removable, so you know, if you want, you can add your own coal to it. Alright, I'll stop talking. Let's see if she moves, even though she hasn't been oiled. Will you move? Oh, nope. Silver Fox's track was open. Let's see, will you move? Oh, I see movement. I see movement. There we go. There she goes. Look at that. There she goes. And cranky. Come back around. Nice. I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed. I'm so happy to give this engine a home. Though she might need lubricating though. And after I lubricate her, I'll run her in. Nice. Well, so what do I think about it? Well, even though this video is probably short enough, but I really, really like it. It's really nice. Although I might need some lubrication. I'll get to that. But yeah, it's really, really nice. I love it. I'm so happy to have this locomotive in my collection. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you later.